What principle do you need to know in order to make your language learning more effective? چی بنەمایەک پێویستە بزانیت بۆ ئەوەی فێربوونی زمانی ئینگلیزیت کاریگەرتر بێت. Today I want to teach you a wise principle for learning that has helped me and many others. با دەست پێ بکەین, let's get started. The principle that I want to teach you is this, that for learning a language, short daily practice is more effective than long periods of study that you might do only once or twice a week. خوێندنی ئینگلیزی بۆ ماوەیەکی کورت هەموو ڕۆژێک کاریگەرتر لە خوێندنی درێژ کە تەنها جارێک یان دوو جار لە هەفتەیەکە. Have you ever had a friend from Kirkuk? If you have, you may have noticed that they speak 3 or even 4 languages easily. Speaking 3 or 4 languages is very normal for people from Kirkuk. Is it because the people from Kirkuk are smarter than people from other cities? ئایا خەڵکی کەرکوک زیرکترن لە خەڵکی شارەکانی تر؟ Maybe. لەوانەیە. But there's probably another reason for this. The Kirkuk is a mixed city with several large language groups living together in the city. Let's say that your friend is from an Assyrian Ashuri family. In their home, they speak the Ashuri language. When he goes to school, his classes are in Arabic, and so he speaks Arabic at school. When he goes to his friend's house, they are Sorani Kurds, and so they speak Sorani there. And when he goes to the bazaar, the shops that he goes to all speak Turkmani, and so he speaks Turkmani with them. So, this Kirkuki friend grows up being able to speak 4 languages easily. How is this possible? Because he has had daily exposure and practice in his environment, in his everyday life. This example helps us to understand the important principle that I want to teach you. For learning a language, short daily practice is more effective than long periods of study that you might do only once or twice a week. خوێندنی ئینگلیزی بۆ ماوەیەکی کورت هەموو ڕۆژێک کاریگەرتر لە خوێندنی درێژ کە تەنها جارێک یان دوو جار هەموو هەفتەیەکە. Another way to say this in English is prioritize the daily over the occasional. You might think that if you have 1 day a week where you study English for the whole day, maybe 10 hours, that is a good way to learn English. But it would be better for you to spend 30 minutes studying English every day. But wait, 30 minutes a day only equals 6 hours, and that is less than the 10 hours that you could spend all on one day. Doesn't less time spent studying mean less learning? No, it doesn't always mean less learning, because you need to focus on the quality, the chonayati of your hours studying, and not just the quantity, the chandayati. The way that our brains work, they can better learn from short, daily material than from one big chunk of material, maybe once a week. Do you have a daily goal? A period of time every day that you can use to focus on English? Believe me, even 15 minutes a day will have an effect. تەنانەت چارێکی سەعات هەموو ڕۆژێک کاریگەری هەبێت. But Mamosta, how can I practice every day? I don't have a neighbor who is a native English speaker. Well, that is why I made this channel, so that you can be like a Kirkuki, so that you can have a place you can go every day to learn and practice your English. So, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. بالا بیرت نچێت پەنجە بنێ بە دوگمەی subscribe بۆ ئەوەی هەموو ڤیدیۆیەک بە ڕۆژانە وەربگریت. Until tomorrow, هەتا سبەینێ خواحافیز.